the priestess of all women, I thank you so much. I and my son will forever remain grateful. Thank you. Please take care of him. Take care of him. Dal.
Elders of the land, I greet you. You can see now that all respect for age and seniority have gone. I have been beaten by that small boy who told me that he can kill the whole of the community. Yesterday, my son-in-law was coming to me to pay the bride price of my daughter. They robbed him on the road, stripped him naked. What a nonsense. This is a disgrace to the community of Otunwo Kingdom. And we can't have it. Yes, it is true that the police are no more with us. But shall we leave ourselves to those criminals? Shall we fold our arms and watch them take what belongs to us with impunity?
Igwe, this matter have virtually affected everybody in this community. We have been imposed to pay levy by people who rob and bully us every day. They forcefully take what belongs to us. Let us put stop to this nonsense once and for all.
Supported. Good talk. And if you ask my own opinion, Igwe, I'll suggest that we leave police out of this and plan for a new strategy on how to capture these criminals.
Igwe, I suggest we mobilize the youths of this community to join hands and fight this crime, to capture the criminal and his cohorts.
Igwe, since bullets does not penetrate in their bodies anymore, but they can still be killed with sticks and as well with stones if they are caught. Bon, the buying of Foyon Meliora.
Ojako, you have a point there. Igwe, you go to the village square, assemble all the youths of this community. Tell them that it is high time we go for a freedom fight.
Guy, you need to hear from this man. Go ahead.
Good. I am coming from the Igwe's palace. I have the information that you might want, but you will give me money.
If your information is right, you will get whatever you want.
Thank you. The Igwe has instructed Ibe to assemble the youth of this community to capture you and your gang. Right now, they are gathering at Nkwo Square.
Udo, if I find out that your information is not correct,
No.
I will cut off your manhood and stuff it in your mouth to swallow.
Trust me, my information is authentic.
Ngodo,
The guy.
Kwon Nama Kanchawa.
The guy.
Do eje mi je na ndagwurugwu enyo ana m atụ egwu ihe ọbụla maka na abụ m mmụọ alụsị ngodo
The guy.
assemble the squad. Udo! 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 Onwero.
Ijele nwanyi. Ijele.
Nna anyị.
Bialio. Please sit down.
Kefen Nanozland, when you know how busy I am at the backyard, say what you want to say. Let me continue with what I'm doing, please.
For some days now, I have not set my eyes on our son, Odile. Where has he gone to?
Yes. How will I know? Yeah, tell me. How will I know? Besides, Odile is no more a baby. He can take care of himself wherever he is. Why are you disturbing yourself? Why are you worrying yourself? Yeah? For once.
What are your responsibilities if you cannot give account of your son's whereabouts?
Let me ask you a question. What is your own responsibility? Since you cannot take care of your own son, you can't give account of your son, and you're asking me. You're asking your baby.
Well, if at the end of today, I do not see our son Odile, I will go to police post and report his disappearance.
Ebwe. And Azado, if you like, go to the Igwe. If you like, go to SMO and report. That is your business. Yes, it is your business. Like you know, I am very busy at the backyard. So don't disturb me. Act like a man. Do your responsibilities well. Act like a man. Nonsense.
More nonsense.
Nonsense.
Anyway, man,
Nonsense. Act like a man.
Otukwaye! Yeah! Otukwakwanu! Yeah! Otukwakwanu! Yeah! Tazanu! Yeah! How can I afford it? Bosoye! We will no more tolerate evil again in our community. Guy and his boys will no more push us around again in this community. Say no to intimidation. Say no to harassment. Get on your knees.
Ah, Ibe. It's a G1 guy a shine at this town. Hero of Otunkwogawa. Ekokatoro Mombashi. Omombashi. And they bring boys, oh yeah, boys, oh yeah. Ibe. Oya Ibe Nana. I can't say. Ibe, oh yeah.
Ibe. Wow. That's machine you got.
Igwe, Ekwe.
Hope you got my money.
Why not? That's 250.
Hope they are complete.
Why not? You can count it.
I trust you.
Next time you get mine.